Hello, I'm Zach from Turck Banner Singapore. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you an application that we have for a pallet picking system, right? This pallet picking system is going to use a banner camera. It's called a ZMX sensor. So it's not really a camera. It's actually an array of laser scanners. So it will shoot several laser beams down towards this target area, and then you'll be able to tell using a time of flight sensor how far away each location is, right? And just behind over here, I have a Turck HMI PLC combo. So for this one, it's actually just a PLC controller. It has no HMI, but what we can do is use a web visualization to show what is going on inside the CODESYS program. Yeah. So this one will actually tell the ZMX controller, the ZMX sensor, which zones to scan, and then it will also record how high these zones are. So imagine, if you will, that this pallet comes in, right, and we are in an unpacking situation. The robot arm needs to know where exactly to start picking from, because it might bump into the pallet too much if it doesn't know. Yeah. Okay, so let's just get on with the demonstration. So here we are in the CODESYS program. I will download it and then we will start to run it. Then we will actually switch over to the web visualization so that you can see what is going on. And then I will have another screen pop up as well. And that will be the sensor software itself. And in this way, we'll be able to see what it's actually looking at, right? So we will be looking at POV of the sensor itself. Hopefully you can see here that this screen is actually showing us the ZMX POV, right? We have 4 different stacks, and then over here we'll have our control software. So it's actually just a visualization of what's going on inside the controller itself. Now, to operate it, we will obviously have to tell where to scan. We need to tell the ZMX scanner where to scan, right? So this box itself is the region of interest, and then we'll change this to, let's say, -170, yeah. And then it will actually scan a different location. So let's show you over here. It's going to jump. So in the initial configuration, we would have to go and find out where exactly we want to scan this area, this region of interest. But fortunately, I'm not going to key all of it in front of you. What I'm going to do is use my pre-programmed demo zones. And now we'll just tell it that we have 4 zones to scan. So I have 4 zones over here, and it corresponds to zone 1, zone 2, the second lowest stack, zone 3, and zone 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let's go to our run scan. Over here, I'm just going to expand it a little bit so you can see. And now you can see the ZMX is online, the sensor over there. And we'll scan, and we should see, yes, do you see that? It's all jumping, right? So I can also change it to maximum of up to 8 zones. Of course, the remaining 4 zones, I have it programmed randomly. But you can see that this is very flexible. We'll be able to change it to multiple scan zones. And then, yeah. Very, very simple. In the application itself, we will also be using this controller, our TX700 controller, as a Modbus server, so that he will be able to, as a server, the client, the robot, can actually poll for data to know which zone to scan from this guy. Simple as that. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching today, and this is the application. Ta-da!